Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Paper Sweets. Thank you so much for joining me today. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing the new stamps and dies that I received from coco&reno for their design team for this month, for the month of June. And as usual, you get this really cute and useful plastic pouch, and this one here too. I just love their packaging. I don't get tired of it. So this month, the die is so cute, you guys. I've already seen so many really cute examples. I took it out of the packaging, but it's called the Semicircle Album die set, and it's just really, really cute. If you have a chance to check out coco&reno on Instagram and follow some of the other design team members, there's so many ideas this month for this really cute die. I'll link some in my description box below, but I've seen samples from Creating for Fun and Mommy and Me Crafts, and also AZ Crafty are some of the few that I've seen already, and they're just really, really cute and creative. So it makes a little mini album, semicircle like it says. So it comes with this piece that will make the spine of the mini album, this larger piece for the front and back covers and the pages for the inside, and then a layering piece that's a little bit smaller. This piece here cuts the hinges, and on mine I just added two, so I cut two of these hinges for the inside of the mini album. And then you get some fun little accessory dies. This one here is like a Polaroid, and it says Moments. A really cute little label type die. This one here is a tab, so cute, with the little heart details, a little arrow, a bow, and a star. So fun little accessory pieces to add to the mini album. So those are the dies. And then the stamps are also really cute and fun and a little different this month. So just perfect for adding a little journaling or some dates or something into your little mini album. So how cute is this? A little border with the hearts, an arrow, some little notepads, and this little frame here, and even some number stamps. So that's really cute. I think it's such a nice little coordinated set this month. This one says Start Today, Rise and Shine. Just lots of positive, cute little images and sentiments that would work good in the mini album or on a card, I was thinking too. And so I've made one sample so far. I have another one cut out and just ready to finish up. But this is the first thing I thought of when I saw the die set, so I just went with it. So I thought of a little slice of watermelon and just perfect summer treat to cool off, and I decided to make it a shaker on the top here. And I had fun adding some hand-stitched, a little chain hand-stitched here around the border of the watermelon rind there, just to give it like a deeper green color. And I did just hand cut the white layer here to be just a little bigger than this layering piece that comes in the set. So that's my cover, and then I just used another die for my stash that says Summer, and this little bow is from the set. So cute. And then for the spine, I didn't want to do another shaker since I did that for the front, so I decided to just layer it the same way with a little bit of white cardstock poking out, and then the pink layer with some stitching. And then I been meaning to do a little bit more of this. I love the look of the sewn sequins. First saw this from Shara Crane on some of her traveler's notebooks, and on the back here I just did the same thing, but I didn't do all the details. And it opens up like this. And I found some paper, some watermelon paper in my stash from a couple years ago from a Hot Buy paper pad from Michaels. So I used some of that throughout. Here's the little arrow and the star that comes in the set, in the die set. And then these I just cut out from the paper collection. And I did leave a space here so that I could add a photo or something. So I'm looking for a little piece to show you, but obviously it would be a little bit bigger than this, but it can tuck in right here and have a little photo there, and add something here for the next page. I left this one blank because I was thinking of using the smaller layering piece and just cutting out one of the photos that I want to add for this mini album, and then I'll put the photo on this page here like that. Here's another just pattern paper with some watermelons, another little die that says hello, and then again I didn't glue it down all the way, so I could tuck a little picture back here if I want to. And this hello actually was attached to the summer, so it said hello summer, and I just cut them apart and used them both. And then here is the Polaroid die that says moments, so cute. And then I just fussy cut a little watermelon and added some sequins and another layering piece here. And on all of these layering pieces, I left, I only glued down the edges a little bit so I could tuck in a tag or another photo or some journaling. So they're all open to tuck something in if I want to. So that just gives some additional little space to add photos or journaling. So it's a little cute mini album. I love the size, but you can still, add quite a few little pictures in here. So I just thought it was so fun. And like I said, I've been seeing so many cute examples. When I made this one, I thought, obviously of other fruit slices like lemons, oranges, any round kind of fruit that you could think of. You could probably make a cute little mini. And I saw Mommy and Me Crafts. She did one in the shape of a lemon wedge, I think it was, with a cute little handle. And just lots of fun ideas for this cute little set. So there's my first sample there, and I'll share a few more things on Instagram. So my Instagram information will be in the description box below if you want to follow me there. And that's it, guys. I hope you have a nice rest of your day. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching my channel. See you in the next video. Bye now.